In this video, we'll talk about blocks with tabs that help display large chunks of information in an organized way. These could be images, services, company departments, and so on. To get started, locate a place on the site where you'd like to put such a block and click on the plus icon. In the block library, browse through the layouts you see and pick one with tabs, for example, a block in the pricing or team sections. Tap on the block so it appears on the page. Another way of creating a block with tabs would be enabling it in a collection. A collection consists of a few interconnected items that work together. All the collections are marked with a yellow label in the editor. So, if you have a collection which you'd like to turn into tabs, click on its settings, open the Modes section and select Tabs. Now you can go ahead and customize the tabs you created. Choose the type of tabs, the accent color which is the color of the selected tab, then the number of tabs, and content alignment. Select the text in the tab heading and rename it. You can now switch between tabs and add your own content there, texts, additional elements and so on. You can always change the tab's order and visibility. For that, click on the icon here and rearrange them as you wish with a simple drag and drop. You can hide certain tabs from the live site or duplicate some of them in order to save time. Now that the tabs are ready, open the published site to see how convenient it is to process information placed in them.